So let's start with the advocate of restricted freedom of speech and expression, Mr. Mubashir Alam. Sir, why are you in favor of restricted freedom of speech and expression? Why it is our birthright?
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. First and foremost, I would like to thank you to give me chance to put my stand in this scholarly debate program. Sir, I believe that human being is created free and independent, and he enjoys lots of freedoms in his life: freedom of religion, freedom of tradition, and as well as the freedom of speech and expression as his birthright. But his freedom of speech does not mean that he has no limitation to use this right as he wishes. It does not mean to hurt other sentiments or to make blasphemous remarks against any religious personality or to cast his offensive comment against any community. Sir, if a man is permitted to enjoy his freedom of speech without any restriction, then there would be countless troubles and innumerable tensions in the well-knitted community living together with love and harmony. Sir, however, I favor restricted freedom of speech for some reasons. If the freedom of speech is not limited and confined to an extent, the violence would engulf the whole existence of the universe and the people will be deprived of peace and tranquility. Moreover, absolute freedom of speech will lead to enmity and would end up in bloodshed. Absolute freedom of speech will erase the brotherhood and unity from the harmonious communities and will not let them prosper and flourish. Absolute freedom of speech will inspire the citizens to go against the law and constitution of their own country. So, there would be no solidarity, no stability in any country where there the germ of such kind of freedom is practiced.
Sir, you are saying that without restriction, a lot of troubles will happen. In India, there are some restrictions in freedom of speech and expression. Despite it, a lot of people deliver hate speeches. What do you want to say about them?
Sir, it is also reality that there are some restrictions and limitations in Article 19(1) of Indian Constitution. By dint of these restrictions and limitations, lots and lots of people do not give provocative statements and do not deliver hate speech that causes harm for society and destroys the environment of the country. Nevertheless, if any person gives provocative statement and delivers hate speech that causes harm for society and destroys the environment of the country, he will be arrested and jailed. Sir, due to this article, a lot of people are in jail yet, and this article prevents a lot of people to speak hateful words and sentences like this.
Thank you, sir. Now I turn to advocate of absolute freedom of speech and expression.